The Aaron Ramsdale pack. The Aaron Ramsdale father pack. David Raya FC strikes again. Drinking the Friends of Aaron tears. So, guys, Arsenal won. Porto 0. My baller, yeah? You heard right. I told you all before kickoff. My baller, Trossardinho, will be the difference. People doubt my baller. Best footballer at our football club. I keep telling people, but they don't want to listen. But Starboy, but Saliba, but Declan. Trossard's our best footballer. He's our best player, guys. Martin Odegaard, by the way, mad skill. We'll come to that in a minute. But listen, make sure you are subbing to the channel, guys. We're not mentality monsters like Flowers thinks we are. Mentality monsters. Turn it in, Flowers, with your TMZ titles. What are you talking about, bruv? Mentality monsters. What? Make sure you sub to the Football Terrace. Arsenal through. Arsenal win. Mentality monsters. What? Mentality monsters. You mean our goalkeeper bailed us out, bruv? What are you waffling about? But don't worry, there's a lot of zesty and very insecure Arsenal fans online looking for validation tonight. But we're going to give you the real talk, because that's how we do, guys. We give you the real talk on this channel. We are the alternative to all of the propaganda train, yeah, the PR. But anyway, make sure you sub to Lee Reacts. I will be back tomorrow on that channel, guys, for the Atleti Inter game. We don't want either of them. Atleti are the only team to beat Real Madrid this season. But Real Madrid are not that good. They've lost 2 games all season, lads, both to Atleti. Inter Milan need a maximum of 5 wins out of 10 to secure the title, guys. Don't want them either, really, do we? But bring on Bayern München. Don't really want them either, do we? Last 3 times we played them, we've been spanked 15-3 on aggregate. But it's a new Arsenal, guys. Yeah, the new Arsenal, guys. Let's talk about the new Arsenal. Smash the likes up. Hijo de puta. The Friends of Aaron pack is going down well. Let's talk about that game tonight. Listen, for 40 minutes, it was exactly how I expected it to be. They came to the Emirates to stifle us, to nullify us, to wind us up, to cause drama, roll around. And that's what happened, guys. And then what happened is Martin Odegaard did some mad bit of footwork, and then my baller scored. Trossardinho to the rescue, guys. Trossardinho to the rescue. Now, if we go over to the other side, Starboy. Starboy, guys. We need to talk about Starboy tonight. Dropped to 0 out of 10, yeah? Is that what we're saying? But he's only young. Guess what? Yeah, that was disgusting, that performance tonight. Yeah, real talk. I'm not just going to dig out individuals collectively. Apart from Jorginho and Kivior, yeah, that performance was awful. Raya's going to steal the headlines for his penalty saves, and rightly so. Yeah, but that performance was disgusting. Yeah, and this is what we're going to come up against, guys. The dark arts of the game. You have to find a way. Who put the ball in the Porto net? Who put the ball in the Porto net? Oh, Leandro Trossard did, yeah? The only player that did. We had 4 shots on target over 180 minutes plus another 32, 10. 19 corners. 19 corners. Is that what we're saying? 19 corners. 4 shots on target over 210 minutes. And we had to get our goalkeepers to bail us out on pens. And we got man out here twerking their batties. Yeah? Doing up Kivior wife settings, twerk champion and that, yeah? Right, giving it, bring on Real Madrid. Cool, bring on Real Madrid. Give me Real Madrid in the next round. But they're not that good, Lee. They're not that good. Yeah, okay, cool. They've lost 2 games in all comps all season, won a trophy, sat top of the league. only lost to Atleti all season. Lost in the league, got knocked out the Copa del Rey. That's it. Cool. Bring on Real Madrid. Bring on Real Madrid, guys. The Friends of Aaron pack has finished, guys. But yes, listen, that game was dead. That tie was dead. People were saying, oh, yeah, Inter versus Atleti, yeah, that's going to be some dead tie. That is the deadest tie we're going to watch in this round of 16. That was abysmal. But somehow, some way, our goalkeeper that has been crucified by Friends of Aaron pulled us out the mire, guys. But we're mentality monsters. No, we're not. Yeah, we did well in penalty shootouts. We did well to not even try to open up against them. We did well in terms of not trying to have a go against them. I expected us to come out tonight, yeah, and hit them from the get-go. And it was almost like we were the team that were 1-0 up. It was almost like we were the team that were going, yo, we better not concede because we're 1-0 up and we don't want it in the balance. Yeah, Pepe, 41, fella's the same age as me, apart from his cock-up keeping Trossard online, yeah, onside. He was absolutely immense over the two legs. I can't lie. I cannot lie. That guy, wow. Yeah, wow. But ultimately, we're through, and that's all that matters. Now we're in the draw. I think the draw's Friday, right? I think it's Friday. Leave it in the comments if it ain't. Yeah, and if you don't know what I'm saying, I don't really care. Yeah, because just be happy we won. Oh, I'm very happy we won. I'm very happy we won. The difference between you and I is the fact that I don't get giddy when we're in the Champions. Oh, we got out the group. Bring on Real Madrid. Combined 11s, 9 out of 11 players. Yeah, let's not compare Champions League. Let's just put 9 players in a combined 11. Let's just put 8 players in a Bayern Munich 11. Let's just put this in the Atleti 11. Calma, io de puta, ilipoya coño. Calma. Yeah, calm the hell down. Yeah, calm the hell down. Yeah, that team we played tonight, yeah, set up to stink fest over 2 legs. And they were very, very close to doing so, by the way. Very, very close. And it's mad that the most experienced player in their team or on the pitch in general was the one that played Trossard onside. If he just stepped up, Trossard's offside and we go out, we don't score a goal. We had a shot from Odegaard, P-roller. We had, that was on target. We had the goal that was on target and we had a Jesus on target. What was the fourth one? I can't remember the fourth shot. 4 shots on target over 2 legs. And listen, we've navigated our way through and now we've got 19 days without a game. Well, it's gone midnight here, so we've got 18 days without a game. Yeah, international break, cup weekend obviously dumped us out of that. But let's just be real with it. Calm the hell down. Stop getting so giddy. Yeah, fair play to the team, fair play to the manager, fair play to the club. We've navigated our way through. Yeah, but let me tell you right now. Yeah, let me tell you right now. If anyone is giving it the Bertie about bring on Real Madrid, yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, have a look in the mirror, mate. Yeah, Real Madrid. Cool. That's my title. Bring on Real Madrid. Yeah, bring on Real Madrid. Cool. You, man, have been saying it. Not all of you, but a lot of you. Bring on Real Madrid. We don't fear anyone. I'd rather play Real Madrid in the final. Yeah, I'd rather play Bayern in the final. I would rather play Inter in the final. A one-off game, I think we can beat these teams. Over 2 legs, football heritage, guys. Respect. Instead, our fans get so over the top and giddy, and this is why they deserve fuck all. They deserve nothing, nada. Yeah, because they get so irate and so emotional. Oh, and I'll have dickheads in my chat tonight going, just be happy we won the game. I'm extremely happy we won the game. I'm extremely happy we're in the next round. I predicted a win. I said we'll win 3-1 tonight. But people don't clip that, innit? They don't clip that. So how about we just calm down a little bit? Stop getting carried away. We're at top of the league. We're in the hat for the next round. Just calm down instead of getting ahead of yourselves. We are in the 13th of March, 25 past midnight as I record this, Spanish time. And people are going on like, oh, the league's ours. We're going to do the double. Bring on Madrid. Just slow down. Yeah, like what is wrong with these people? This fan base is the most feminine fan base I've ever seen in my life. They act like females. Yeah. Mentality monsters. No, we're not. We got away with it tonight. We got away with it. If Pepe steps up, that goal's offside. And what else did we do? So fine margins. Listen, fair play. He didn't. And Trossard, Odegaard, fair play. But there was some awful performance out there tonight. Yeah, and we're going to get into that in player ratings with Jez a little bit later. Yeah, I'm just buzzing that Kenny Ken on his birthday has seen a win and that's got us through to a quarter final. Yeah, so big up to Kenny. Make sure you show Kenny some love. Make sure you show Lee React some love. But listen, real talk, yeah, slow down. Learn. Yeah, these Arsenal fans never flipping learn. It is embarrassing. Every year. We're the best. We're going to do this. All of our players this. All of our players that. Yeah, Bukayo Saka dropping a stink fest. Yeah, cool. Anyway, we're out of here, guys. Leave your comments down below. Let me know who you want in the next round. Yeah, Barca qualified. I'll take Barca if I'm honest. Yeah, because they're not very good. But yeah, all this talk of bring on Bayern, bring on... Nah, come on, karma. Respect football heritage, guys. But listen, big up to everyone. I'll be back again tomorrow. I'm going to do the Inter versus, or the Atleti versus Inter game on Lee Reacts. Big up to everyone subbing to this channel. Road to 100 is on. And I will be doing... I'm not quite sure where I'm at with it, but I think I might do 100 giveaways over 100 days, something like that. I don't know, for the 100K. So make sure you're subbing. Yeah, I'm not just going to do one giveaway. That's unfair. 100,000, you got one in 100,000. 100 in 100,000, different story, guys. So listen, it is what it is. Big up to everyone who's locked in. Big up to everyone who's subbed, liked, shared, commented on the watch along. Check out Kenny Ken and Jez's fan cam next. We're out of it. Yo de puta. We're in the next round. Vamos. Come on. Betty a la mierda. Bash.